So why all of a sudden me make a Onlyfans? You want to have a say in my life?
Yeah. Go on, mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya, star. Only put pressure in my corner. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and stand hold me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Just want to say massive respect to everybody who subscribe, everybody who like, everybody who comment, everybody who share them opinion on anything we talk about on this channel, because we finally reached 10k. So enough respect, big up to everyone, you see me? Alright, so today we want to talk about Shani, and she claps back at her father after him call Wally British and tell Wally British everything that she was pregnant at 15, and he's upset that she started an Onlyfans. You see me? So we have Shani come out and speak everything, and she speak her side of the story. So make we listen to what Shani have to say.
Remember, me not hear from you for the whole of COVID, the whole of 2019 after me get back my green card. Remember, I didn't hear from you. You'd never care if I did. You never care if me alive or me dead, right? So why all of a sudden me make a Onlyfans? You want to have a say in my life and you do nothing for me. My father left me at Jamaica with my mother from me at 5 years old. I'm gonna see back that man till me at 15. And it hurt my heart for no say. Me think about him every day, because I always remember this one memory when me and him have. The last time I see him, he come for me and carry me go to KFC. He buy me juice and chicken and corn. And that day just stuck in my head. Like, me never expect him to be like that. Like, I expect him to be different. Like, you see your daughter for years and she is 15 now. Like, me never expect him to be like that. I think him to know better. Like, oh, you have to put a man over your daughter. Like, I would never have a daughter and choose a man over my daughter. Never, ever, 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 ever. I would never do it. And the sad thing about it is when him tell me, say, me figure look man because me a big woman now and him can't help me no more. This man not call me none tal for my 21st birthday. I call him 1 week before my 21st birthday. I always try to reach out to him, but him never put in no effort to help me. I always call him and ask him for help, and him never ever ever want to help me. Him never want to help me. This man never want to help me. So I said to myself when I got sick, I'm gonna start a Onlyfans. A friend of mine told me about Onlyfans and I started or whatever, and it was going pretty well for me and everything. And then I eventually met this guy, and yeah, he didn't want me to do it and I stopped doing it. He reached out to my father too also. He reached out to him and him tell him a bag of crap. Him tell him how much him love me I'm daughter, I'm bad, I'm this and my that. Why you keep telling people all these bad things about me when you don't know me? You left me at Jamaica with my mother when me at 5. Me not see you back till me at 15. And a pure disaster. As you come back in my life, a pure disaster. The first time I come America, me never expect it to be like this. It traumatized me. You ruined my childhood. I can say you ruined my childhood. You literally ruined my childhood. It better you didn't make me stay at Jamaica. It better you didn't make me stay at Jamaica. You know if you take me here, if you know say I said it don't treat me. You know if you take me here, if you know say I said it don't treat me. This is unfair. Very much unfair. And me never asked for this and me never signed up for this. You brought me into this. And you go ahead and you turn your back on me. And then when I try to search and search and search far away out, there you are, pop up out of nowhere like you did nothing for me. You did nothing for me but make my life a living hell. My mother used to tell me about you, but me get to see for myself in real life. Say you is nothing but a little pussy. Yeah. And I hope you see that video and I hope you watch it and look for me and see how your daughter get big. You go see how your daughter get big and you're not in your daughter's life and you will never be a part of my life. I forgive you. I not have you up, but I not gonna ever forget what you do to me. I not gonna ever forget how you carry me and make me suffer. People throw me out in a cold, in a winter. Me have to stay at people place. People show me all kind of bad face. People do me all kind of things. And me have to put up with it because I can't do better. And you bring me here. You're responsible for me. Do you know how I feel? Do you know how I feel to know that I have a father?
Alright, so that was the video, and Shani is hurt like any other child will have them father walk out of them life or have them mother walk out of them life. You see me? It not easy and it not nice, and it even worse when them in your life and them not present. You see me? You might live with them, but guess what? Them not play the role. The mother not play a role. The father not play the role. You see me? Me not say both of them not play the role at once. You know, at least one of them play the role. The mother and the father live together, and the father not do nothing. Just the mother. The mother and the father live together, and just the father, the mother not do nothing. Or just the mother alone and the father gone. Or just the father alone and the mother gone. Everybody have different situations, isn't it? But in this case, and what we are talking about right now, Shani have her father walk out her life from. She have 15, and when him come back, him never come back as a loving and caring father. Him come back. He was still that person who walk out her life like 10 years ago. She's hurt, and she has speak her side of the story as a child. You see me? As a child of this man, whatever his name is. And this video is not to bash Shani or anything like that. You see me? This video is just to listen to her side of the story and her family feud, her family issues. The whole Cmr and Chrissy and the Wally British thing, we're not going to discuss it right now and share no opinion based on that, because we done been sharing our opinion on other videos we have on the channel. If you don't want, or not go listen to them video there. You see me? Because me share my opinion and tell Cmr what him need to do. And what he need to do is go to his wife and have that conversation with his wife, because I know she said him can't face her. You see me? So big up to Shani, big up to Cmr, big up to Chrissy, big up to Wally British, big up to the whole of them were involved in this whole thing. You see me? If you make it to the end of this video, go check out my other video them. You know when I go like it. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments as always. I'm out.